Imagine flying thousands of miles without a map or GPS. Migratory birds do just that, and one of their secret tools is the Earth's magnetic field. But here's the quirky part: some birds have tiny iron particles in their beaks, acting like a natural compass. These particles help them sense magnetic fields, guiding them across continents. It's like having a built in navigation system. This unique adaptation shows nature's incredible ingenuity. Next time you see a bird, remember it's a master navigator. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing nature stories.